Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to download WeTransfer file. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if someone sent you a file using WeTransfer and you're wondering how to exactly download it, well, this totally depends on how someone actually sent you the actual file. Now, if they sent via a link, well, typically you just need to access that link, and typically on your screen you'll have the download button once you access that website. But if they sent you it via email, well, it's kind of different. So what you need to do is you want to go and visit the email address where someone actually sent you the file. Now, just to give you an idea, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to say WeTransfer, and the following user sent you the following files. Let's go and select this one. Now, once you do access the message or the email that you receive from WeTransfer, remember, only download files directly from WeTransfer's email here. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just click on the Get Your Files button or the download link. Let's go and click on Get Your Files. Now, this should open up a new tab, which in this case should basically allow you to view your actual file that someone actually sent you. Now, in this case, as you can see, it's going to basically ask you you're almost there. Go ahead and click on I agree. And from here, it's going to prepare your files. And what you need to do is you want to go and just click on the download button or the download button here next to the actual file. And once you click on download, this will initiate your download. And just need to wait for a few seconds or for a while here. And once the file is actually downloaded, it's what's going to look like. And you can go and just download, transfer, view this, and do whatever you want. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.